Sometimes challenges bring out true character. As the COVID-19 crisis intensified, it was clear that Clean Water Services, like everyone else, would need more sanitizer than we could get from suppliers. So Cindy and the team in our water quality lab developed recipes for liquid sanitizer and wipes, using materials they had on hand or could easily find. Soon the products were in the hands of employees in the field and at CWS facilities. Sharon, who works in our Rock Creek and Durham facilities, also owns a quilt shop. As we all learned more about the coronavirus, she understood that cloth face covers could play a role in preventing transmission, so she rounded up coworkers at a safe distance in one of our largest conference rooms, and together they're producing hundreds of washable masks that can even accommodate optional filter inserts. What's next? While staff researches effective procedures to sanitize and reuse commercially made products, Greg and the digital solutions team are prototyping high-end 3D printer masks. Responsive solutions created by CWS employees for CWS employees to help keep ourselves healthy, to keep delivering essential public services to the people and businesses of Washington County and Oregon's Tualatin River watershed.